Do you know anything about guns? Well, I want you to prove it. What is the name of this firearm? I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. This should be easy. 3, 2, 1. Did you guess the FAMAS F1? Well, if you did, you'd be wrong. This isn't the FAMAS, it's the FR556, a gun that doesn't even exist. Welcome to Call of Duty, the game where they rename and slightly change every single firearm to avoid lawsuits with the original firearm manufacturer. And today, I want to test your firearm knowledge and see if you can guess which real-life firearms have inspired these Call of Duty knockoffs. And I'll tell you what, I'll start it easy with firearm number 1. Do you guys recognize this? It's the Cast-Off 7.62, and I want to see if you can guess what real firearm this was based off of. You guys have got to be able to get this one. All right, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Did you get it? This weapon is based on the AK-103, the more modern big brother of the AK-47. Pretty cool, huh?